Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing and reviewing my very first 1/500 scale model, as well as my very first StarJets model. Excuse me. This is a Northwest Orient Boeing 727-100 in its classic 70s to mid-80s livery before the Republic Airlines merger, in which eventually became simply Northwest Airlines. It is a clearance item from diecastairplane.com, so I bought it for $5 plus $5.83 in shipping. And speaking of which, this is my very last model that only cost about $5 from the diecastairplane.com, the same website I bought my very first commercial jetliners model, the Airbus A319 from Hogan Wings, which is a 1/200 scale model. So it's probably time to save up on much more expensive ones out there. So before I unbox this model, let me show you the box itself. Excuse me. This is a real metal. It's polished and not some sort of expensive chrome model. Like I said, it's real metal. The registration number is November 472 Uniform Sierra. Here's the back. Go ahead and pause it if you like, if you want to read the specifications. Other than that, let's unbox it. Alright. It does include a stand. Usually, none of the 1/500 models comes with the stand, but this one does. So let's take it out. Some stand. Here. The stand's probably a bit difficult to put on, so anyhow, here it is. Now, here's the model itself. Sorry guys. Let's put the cover back inside. Alright. I'll show you the model. It's very small. It's chrome? No, sorry, it's not chrome. Like I said earlier, it's polished. Here's the model. Fully die cast. The wheels don't spin though, or at least they don't roll. set of eyebrow windows. Has a windshield wiper detail. Northwest Orient. This is the pre-merger before the Republic Airlines merger. And like I said, after the merger, it simply became Northwest Airlines, minus the Orient. Here's the red tail. You have navigation. Has detailed slats. The chrome detail, sorry, it's probably not chrome, but it has a metal detail. It has the escape path wing exits. Don't forget the strobe light on the top. It's November 4th, 72 Uniform Sierra. Like I said on the box. Lightning lights. It's a tri-jet, so it has 3 engines. Mounted in the rear. Gear. StarJets. And your aft escape stairs, so called. You have an APU detail. Your cargo doors. And here's your right side of the airplane in general. And yeah, should be it. Oh, let's please conclude. Put them on top of the stand. There you have it. Here's the mount on the stand. Let me see like I can rotate that. Should be it. And as I've said in my previous unboxing video of my 1/400 scale Gemini jets flying in the 11, I'm taking a break from collecting 1/200 scale models for the time being due to pricing and space limitations. No exact timetable on when I will resume collecting these such models, but I may decide carefully on which 1/200 model I want to buy next if I were to get my next 1/200 model, or should I say if I decide to get the 1/200 model again. But I'll tell you what, the 1/500 models, the 1/500 scale models are the smallest size models you can collect. It's very small enough to carry around everywhere. See, here's my hand here. this big compared to the size of the scale 1/500 scale model. So anyhow, these are perfect for making small scale airports of your own. And I think Herpa is the one specializing on making 1/500 scale airport sets. And as for the 1/400 models, Gemini Jets, they make the 1/400 scale airport sets as well. The Gemini Jets, I believe, also makes 1/200 airport sets, but based on space and price, it will take a long investing, as well as the amount of space required to allocate such to accommodate the airport dioramas, such. I mean, for 1/200 scale models, you will have to buy more sections of the airport diagram. But anyhow, that's the end of the video. Be sure to stay tuned for some more unboxing videos for my model aircraft collecting journey, as well as any takeoff and landing videos of various commercial aircraft. So thanks for watching, and have a safe flights to all. And here's one last look at the model and the box cover.